go with the cue card of describe a piece of clothing you wear most often. So let's go with the introduction. Firstly, undeniably, a piece of cloth and a dressing sense hold an indispensable role in everyone's life in order to boost the confidence by enhancing the personality. Although I have many pieces of cloth, where I would like to talk about one piece of cloth which was given by my grandmother. It is known as a fulkari. It is like as a muffler, and I used to wear on a soldier with the traditional Punjabi suit because its color is mustard and it is fully embroidered, and it come under the traditional cloth in my nation and in my culture also. Actually, it is one of the piece of cloth which was given by my grandmother. Nowadays my grandmother is no more, so that's why it is a great memory of my grandmother. I really enjoy after wearing it because a lot of compliment I usually get, and everyone tells to me from where you have purchased. Can you tell me the number of boutique from where you have purchased? But I always tells to them that I didn't purchase. It was the fulkari of my grandmother, which was also given by her mother to my grandmother. Then after that, my grandmother given to me. So that's why I have never purchased. It has a unique look. I always wear, and I always everyone appreciates me a lot. And sometime I also wear on the special occasions, especially with the Punjabi suit. I can see that I wear it commonly because it is one of the piece of cloth that can be worn on every occasion, like on the special occasion like birthday party, anniversaries, small festivals and small occasions. We can enjoy it by wearing, and during the wedding it also enhances the personality of a person. And secondly, it's more comfortable in order to wear, and I feel more confident. That's why I really enjoy a lot whenever I wear it.